Still struggling with ZATCA Phase 2 integration?
You don't need to rebuild your ERP. You don't need to delay compliance.
All you need to do is just connect.
With the Bismagnet ZATCA API, you can integrate any ERP or POS system with ZATCA.
Quickly, securely, and without complex development. Here's what you get with Bismagnet. Full ZATCA Phase 2 compliance right out of the box. Zero changes to your existing ERP structure. Go live faster with minimal effort. And a fully scalable solution, ready for multiple clients. The integration couldn't be more simpler. Your ERP sends us the basic invoice data, and we handle everything else. UBL XML generation, validation and compliance checks, digital signatures, cryptographic stamping, and QR code generation. We even handle the direct submission straight to ZATCA. And what do you get back? Everything you need. UUID, PIH, ICV, your QR code, and the fully signed XML. All ready to use, instantly. Bulk invoice processing, multi-client support, and purpose-built for ERP providers. And also specifically for system integrators. And the deadlines? They're already here. Wave 23 ends March 31st, 2026. Wave 24 ends June 30th, 2026. Delays can impact your compliance, so don't wait. Stop worrying about CSR, encryption, and all the ZATCA complexities. Let Bismagnet handle compliance, while you focus on growing your business. Message us today to get started, or request a live demo. Please email us today at info@ainhtechnologies.com or call us at 055-266-9984. Bismagnet, compliance made simple.